In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add JavaScript to a Shopify page. Whether you're adding custom functionality, tracking scripts, animations, or third-party tools, Shopify makes it possible with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look at the menu on the left and click Online Store. Next, click Themes. You'll see your current live theme displayed on the page. On your active theme, click the three dots button and then select Edit Code. This will open Shopify's code editor where you can modify your theme files. In the left sidebar, locate the Assets folder. This folder contains your themes, CSS, JavaScript, and other static files. To create a new JavaScript file, click Add a new asset. Choose Create a blank file, select JavaScript and enter a name for your file such as custom.js. Then click Create Asset. Once the file is created, paste your JavaScript code into the editor. Double check the code for any errors and make sure it performs exactly as intended. After adding your code, click Save. Now you need to load the JavaScript file on your store. Open the theme.liquid file inside the layout folder. Before the closing is less than, body is greater than tag, add a reference to your JavaScript file so Shopify can load it on your pages. Save your changes once again. If you only want the script to run on a specific page, you can edit that page's template file instead of loading the script site-wide. Finally, visit your storefront and test the functionality to make sure everything is working correctly. It's always a good idea to test on a duplicate theme before making changes to your live store. That's it, you've successfully added JavaScript to your Shopify store. Custom JavaScript can help you create a more interactive experience, integrate third-party services, and add unique features to your website. Thanks for watching.